Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what is a inner join in SQL and how we can use it with some simple examples. Inner join creates a new result table by combining column of two tables. The most important and frequently used join is inner join. We can also call it as a equijoin. Inner join creates a new result table by combining column values of two tables based upon the join condition. The query compares each row of table 1 with each row of table 2 to find all pair of rows which satisfy the given join condition. When the join condition is satisfied, the matched pair of rows are combined into the result table. This is the basic syntax of an inner join. Let me explain you with some simple example. This is the SQL command line interface, and today we are going to use inner join on the students and marks table. Let me show you the data present in both the tables. For this, just use the select query, select star from students and select star from marks. These are the different columns present in the students table as well as marks table. But if you noticed, student number column is present in both the tables. So we are joining these two tables on the basis of student number column. In this example, we will try to retrieve forename and surname columns from students table and marks column from marks table on the base of student number column which is present in both the tables. For this, we just have to type select the first table which is students dot the first column from the students table which is forename, comma, again we are retrieving this surname, so first give the table name which is students dot the surname column, comma, and now the final column is mark which we are getting from the marks table, so we will just give marks dot mark column from first table is students, and now we have to give the type of join here. So in this case we are using inner join, so just type inner join and the second table which is marks on, and now we have to give the condition on which we are joining these two tables. So in this case we are joining these two tables on the student number column, so just type students dot student number equals to and the marks table marks dot student number column student number. After hitting semicolon and enter, here you can see we have combined the forename, surname and mark from both the tables. We are getting only those records whose are matching in both the tables. We can also use table alias or column alias for this type of examples to simplify the query. For more clarification, just watch our alias video to press the I button here. For this, just type select. Here in this example we will give the table alias, so for student we will use letter S, so S dot same column names which are forename, comma, again S dot surname, comma, and for marks we will use M word here, so M dot mark from students, and after students we will give the alias, table alias, which is S inner join marks table, and the alias is M on, and again in the conditions we can also use alias here. So S dot student number equals to M dot student number. After hitting semicolon and enter, here we are getting the same result, but the second query is more readable and easy to understand. I hope you got clear understanding what is a inner join and how we can use it with some different examples, and also we have used alias to simplify the query. For more exciting videos, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get the latest updates.